Infinix has been on a roll this year, releasing new models left and right. But one phone that's caught our attention is the Note 12 Pro 5G. And before you ask, no, it's not the same smartphone as the non-5G variant of the Note 12 Pro we reviewed last July 2022. The company did make a few more changes to the Note 12 Pro 5G compared to the standard Note 12 Pro, aside from the addition of 5G to the name and connectivity. However, most of these changes are found inside since the phones look nearly identical from the outside. I'm Jose from Yugatech, and join me as we do a full review of the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G. Let's start off with the design of the Note 12 Pro 5G. It features squared off edges similar to the latest iPhone models instead of the curved or rounded edges and screen found on other Android models. As such, this makes the phone easy and comfortable to hold even for extended periods of time. The back features a textured design, making it nice to look at and, more importantly, easier to grip. It also prevents nasty fingerprints from sticking onto the body as opposed to the typical glossy finish. Here, you'll also see the Infinix branding with the addition of 5G and the same triple camera setup as the non-5G model. Flip it over and you have a large 6.7-inch display with the selfie camera placed up top along with one of the speakers. I'm still not too fond of the teardrop camera design though. It makes the phone look a bit dated. On the right side, you'll find the volume button and the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint scanner. Meanwhile, on the left side, you'll find the dual SIM card slot and micro SD slot. There are no ports on the top, but at the bottom you get a 3.5mm audio jack, a USB-C port, and the main speaker. The buttons feel nice to the touch and can easily be accessed using one hand. Moving on to the display, the 6.7-inch AMOLED screen on the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G offers 2400 by 1080 resolution. The colors are nice out of the box too, and the blacks are deep, but the bezel is a bit thick compared to other phones, so you do have to get used to it a bit. The only thing we didn't like about the screen is the refresh rate. Despite the beautiful display, the screen is limited to only 60Hz. Given the specs of this phone, we expected it to have at least 90Hz. Still, you won't notice the 60Hz refresh rate too much when watching videos on YouTube or Netflix. You also have a stereo loudspeaker which sounds decent at best. Personally, I'd rather take advantage of the 3.5mm audio jack, which is slowly dying on most phones today. Possibly one of the best upgrades Infinix made to the Note 12 Pro 5G is the camera. While it uses the same triple camera system, the main lens has been upgraded to a 108MP unit. Yes, you heard that right, 108 megapixels. Take note that the camera doesn't shoot native at 108MP. You still have to tap the 108MP button at the top part of the screen in the camera mode. Do note it also only works in AI cam mode. The photos look great out of the box and they're quite sharp too, with minimal to no editing needed. The camera also captures colors quite well, especially in bright conditions. When shooting in 108MP mode, the photos are digitally enhanced, but surprisingly you still get good detail even when you zoom in. However, the photos do suffer when shooting under low light to no light conditions. Even with night mode, you lose the details and the photos look heavily filtered. For the video, the Note 12 Pro 5G shoots at 1440p or 2K at 30fps. There's no image stabilization though, so expect your videos to be a bit shaky when shooting handheld. Another new upgrade Infinix made to the Note 12 Pro 5G is the chipset. Instead of a MediaTek Helio G96, the smartphone is now powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset coupled with the Mali G57 GPU. It comes standard with 8GB of RAM plus 5GB extended memory and 128GB storage. If you need more storage space though, there is a dedicated micro SD card slot. Now, using the phone on a daily basis, the phone runs really well, especially when you're just browsing through social media or the internet. Playing Mobile Legends or Call of Duty Mobile, I didn't experience any issues. However, it does feel sluggish and there is a bit more lag when playing graphic-intensive titles such as Genshin Impact or Diablo Immortal. That said, it's best to set the games on medium settings for a more enjoyable experience. As for the benchmarks, we'll flash the scores here. For the battery, Infinix didn't change it out for a larger unit. The Note 12 Pro 5G still uses a 5000mAh battery which comes with 33W fast charging. It's not the fastest charging phone, but it does get the job done. The battery lasts quite a while too if you're not playing games. Overall, I enjoyed using the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G. It serves as a great daily phone and is more than capable of doing your usual tasks, including playing games. We already enjoyed using the regular Note 12 Pro, but with the new 108MP camera and the faster MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G chipset, it enhances that experience even further. The Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G retails for 12,499 pesos but is currently on discount for only 11,999 pesos for the 8GB plus 128GB variant. It's a bit more expensive than the non-5G model, but I think it's worth the added cost. But enough of what I think. What do you think of the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G? Is the added cost worth the new and improved features? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, do drop a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Jose, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya!